Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss a very important problem with you. This problem is based on chapter number 1 and 2 of our textbook. So the problem is given an interval a comma b and a number k, write a Python program to determine that k is inside or outside of the interval. You can use comparison operator only once. So you can see this problem is very easy. Otherwise, if this condition that you can use comparison operator only once was not given, we will simply compare k with a and b. If k is greater than or equal to a and less than or equal to b, then it means k is inside of the interval, otherwise outside. But here you can see we have to use comparison operator twice. Once we are comparing k with a and then with b. But here we are given a condition that we can use comparison operator only once. So we have to think of something else. So we will be solving this problem using the concept of distance. Okay. As we know, in an interval, this a is always less than b. Okay. So let us see how we can solve it. So you can see this is the interval on real number line. So there are 3 points A, B, and K. In the first case, we are assuming that K is inside of the interval. So K will be greater than A, less than B. In second case, K is outside of the interval. So K is greater than A and B both. Okay. So here you can see distance between B, A and B is B minus A. Okay. So if K is inside the interval, then this distance K minus A and B minus K, sum of these two distances will be distance between A and B, that is B minus A. Otherwise, this distance K minus A and K minus B will be greater than B minus A. So we will be using this in our program. Means the distance B minus A is equal to K minus A plus B minus K. Okay. So let us write a program. So first of all, print enter A, B, and K. These three numbers. Then A is equal to float we are using float because in an interval the number A and B can be any real number, okay, not only integers, and same is true for K also. Okay, so we are taking these three numbers as input. Now we will check condition if B minus A is equal to ABS K minus A plus ABS K minus B. So since we are not sure about the sign of K minus A and K minus B, that is why we are using this function ABS, that is absolute value, that gives absolute value of K minus A, K minus B. So we are not considering the sign. Okay. Anyway, distance is always positive, so there is no need of taking sign. Okay. So if B minus A is equal to K minus A plus K minus B, print K is inside. Okay. K is inside. Else print K is outside. Okay. Now let us check whether this code is working properly or not. So we will run it. Okay. So enter A, B, and K. So A is suppose 1, B is suppose 6, K is suppose 1.2. So clearly it is 1.2 is inside the interval 1 and 6. So K is inside. Okay. If I again run this code, enter A, B, and K. So suppose A is 0, B is suppose 8, and K is -1. So K is outside. So our code is working properly. Okay. So this is how you can solve this problem. Thank you.